Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at really a one-of-a-kind car. This is a 1966 Chevrolet Nova 2 convertible. You are correct if you're thinking Chevrolet never offered this car. That is correct. This car came out of Virginia. Matter of fact, I bet you it was the same guy. This guy's built about a dozen of these cars. Years ago, Vern and I bought one of these cars out of Virginia. I believe it's from the same guy. It's been about 12, 13 years ago. It was a red car with tan interior. Killer car just like this. And like I say, this guy's built a dozen of them. Does a really nice job. This car's finished in Madeira maroon. It's got the black convertible top, black vinyl interior. Neat car. Again, this car was never offered by Chevrolet. He built it. I took some pictures of the bottom of the car. He does a phenomenal job boxing in these chassis. Does a really nice job with that. Pretty car. Again, Madeira maroon metallic paint. You can see it's got the cowl hood. It's got, this is the only thing I didn't know if I really cared for. It's got the black walls, the poverty caps. I thought about changing this car to red lines. I thought, you know, some bias ply red lines would just pop up against this this burgundy or maroon, I'm sorry. And but we just kind of left it alone. It's got good rubber on it. But I definitely could be talked into that without a doubt. Again, very nice car. Car runs and drives excellent. It was just completed just a couple of months ago. There's literally a couple hundred miles on this car since it was completed. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice, got pretty paint on it. And like I say, if you're looking for a good driver, this car really hits the road good. Real conversation piece, I will tell you that. The red one we got from ended up in a magazine. It was kind of cool. And like I say, I'm 99% sure this came from the same guy. All the trim is used off a 62, 63 Nova convertible. It's a manual top, goes up and down, very easy. Again, this is all 62, 63 trim. Sorry guys, you're seeing there's a little wax in there. Have to get in there and get it out. The guys put a good coat of wax on it. Good solid Virginia body. Pretty good sized rubber on the back. I think it's 255, 60, 15s if I remember right. It's got that kind of big and little look. That might come out, guys. A little mark in that. Yeah, that's going to come out. That's a little rubber or something on there. That'll come out. It's got disc brakes. I thought a red line would look good on there. Again, front disc brakes on the car. Talk about big and little. It's got a smaller tire on the front and a bigger tire on the rear. It's a 64 or 64, 65, 327 era. 64, 65. I'm sorry, 327 era correct kind of engine in it. You can see it's got a Winners GM aluminum intake on it. Holley 4-barrel. It's got the ram's horn, high-performance exhaust manifolds that GM had. Again, front disc brakes. It's a Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Not hip on the green battery. This is pretty cool. It's aluminum radiator, but it kind of looks like the factory with the shroud and everything. Steel cowl hood. And like I say, the car drives out good. Really, you know, it's tight, shifts good. gang. See where my guys got a little overzealous with the wax there. And I'm rushing them. We're trying to I'm getting ready to leave town. We got about 6 more to get advertised, and I'd like to get everything posted before I leave. I'm gonna pick the A-pillar chrome there a little bit. New mirrors. Sorry, that's just fingerprints, guys. New door handles. New sill plates, new carpets. I've ordered the correct rubber mats for it. Again, manual top. It fits up good. Factory dash showing 20,246. I'm sure that's 120. Parking brake works. Blower motor works. Radio delete car. The original owner's manuals in the glove box. As long, it also comes with some 327 emblems for the front. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12 bolt, 323 rear gear, nothing big. Definitely something to get on the expressway and cruise. And a little stone peck there. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Good car. New door rubbers. Bottoms of those doors are nice and clean. Whoa, gotta have the clutch in there, Bubba. Okay, good run. And like I say, shifts out smooth, drives good. Good little car. Not much for gauge, just a fuel gauge. Again, parking brake does work. Reverse lights work. Again, radio delete car. Blower motor does work though. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. Car, man. Very cool car. great day, guys.